To install the mulching plug, first grasp the mulching plug by its handle. Lift up the chute cover and insert the plug into the chute. The chute is at an angle, so a little force is required to fully insert the plug so that it is sealed. Be sure to remove the mulching plug in order to use the grass catcher bag. If the grass catcher bag is not in use, be sure to reinstall the mulching plug into the chute. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks.